Minn Kota offers a Raptor app that can be used to control and update software to the Raptor using your smartphone or tablet. The Raptor app is available for download on the App Store for iOS devices and on the Google Play Store for Android devices. To do this on an Apple iOS device, launch the Raptor app and follow the on-screen setup guide instructions. The app will ask you if you're setting up for 1 or 2 Raptors. If you're setting up for 2 Raptors, both Raptors must first be paired together. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this procedure. Once this is complete, or if you're only pairing a single Raptor to your iOS device, then select iOS Bluetooth settings. Press the back arrow at the top left corner of the screen to access the settings menu and select Bluetooth. Now, press the pair button on the pump of your Raptor. The blue LED on the pump or pumps will begin to flash, indicating that the pumps are now discoverable by your device. Watch for Raptor to appear on your discoverable device list and select it. When pairing is successful, the pump will emit a rapid triple beep, indicating that pairing was successful. You can now return to the app and begin controlling your Raptor. From the Raptor app, you have complete control of your Raptor. Everything that you can do on your Raptor remote, you can do these things and more on the Raptor app. You can deploy and stow your Raptor. You can change between anchoring modes, including standard, soft bottom, rough water, and also auto bottom for Raptor models equipped with active anchoring. You can also change between controlling a single Raptor, dual Raptors, or individual Raptors on a dual Raptor system. You can adjust your speed of deployment and retraction. And you can also turn active anchoring on and off on Raptor systems enabled with this feature. You'll also find other features within the menu controls of the app, including various performance adjustments and links to Minn Kota's website where you can find help in setting up and registering your Raptor at minnkotamotors.com. Also in the menu controls of the app, you can find your device list, which will help you to see all of the devices connected to your Raptor network and their current status. The menu controls of the app is also where you can go to download and wirelessly update the latest version of software for your Raptor. The Raptor app is a great resource for control of your Raptor and for performing software updates for your Raptor shallow water anchor. For more information and instructional videos, be sure to visit our website at minnkotamotors.com and find us on YouTube under Minn Kota Motors.